Hello and welcome to my pre-planning for the first week of August. And oh my gosh, am I going to show you the cutest kit ever. So this kit is by Emias Chaos, and this is a Canadian-based shop. But to be perfectly honest, when I did the haul for this video, for this kit, it was literally the very first one that showed up. So if you're concerned about ordering from Emias Chaos about time or it being a long time, because I know when I ordered from Coffee Monsters Co., it took about a month and a half to get to me. Emias Chaos got to me within just a few days of me ordering it. So again, cannot recommend this shop more. She is fantastic customer service, fantastic as far as getting her stuff out super quick to you. So do not be afraid to order from this shop, being that it is a Canadian shop. So I'm going to start by laying down this absolutely fantastic washi. So all of her kits are hand-drawn. She does all of this herself. And these chickens, I believe, are based off of the ones that she has at home. So in my mind, I picture this as being Emma's backyard. So it probably is, because she sometimes shows pictures of her chickens and she is super cute. Her chickens are cute as well. And this is what I want. So when I redo my yard, one of the things that I wanted to do with my yard was I have like a big side yard, and that's where I'm going to put a shed that kind of looks like a barn, like a big old barn shed. And then next to it, I wanted to get one of those super cute like chicken coops, and I wanted to get some furry footed chickens. I've said it before on this channel. People ask me, what's a furry footed chicken? And I drew one not too long ago. It's on my Instagram way back in the beginning. I drew a furry footed chicken that I wanted to use as one of my characters, but I'm not that great at drawing, so it was difficult for me to draw that thing, and for me to actually continue messing with it and get it in the colors that I wanted was going to not work out. So sorry about that, but you can hear my dogs. They're running around having a good time playing. It's morning time, so they are all having fun, and the house is full, and the baby's upstairs eating, and it's just kind of a loud day, but I do apologize for that, and no worries. No worries, we will get through this, even with the noise. So this one for the date dots, so if you saw when I put these headers down, there's 2 weeks worth, so that you could, if you're not a no white space planner, you could stretch this kit out to last you more than 1 week. I am a no white space planner, but I am going to save those headers because they're super cute for another spread that they may go with at another time. So for this one, I decided to use the clear date dots because I didn't want to cover up any of the artwork with any white background. And I'm also going to use the this week in the date covers to start off my side panel here. So, and then I'm going to take, do you see all these headers or dividers, whatever you want to call them? There's so many of them. They're hand drawn. You've got some grass. You got one with the ladybug, one with this cute little frog and the lily pad, and then the rocks. So I'm also going to be showing you towards the end of this. Oh, I won't even spoil it. I'll just leave it. You can see it at the end. Tons of deco. So cute. There's just so much stuff in here. So I'm going to start by putting down the weekend banner because this weekend double box is adorable. It's got some room for you to write in it. I wouldn't because I think it's just too stinking cute the way it is, but you can totally write in that. There's tons of space. And then I'm going to start by putting down some of the artwork. And I ended up kind of doing an every other. So I did artwork with one and then I did a checkbox with the other because I have all that deco. So I can totally like use the deco throughout to make up for not having well, the weekend banner does take up for artwork. So if you're thinking that maybe there isn't enough artwork to go through, because I hear some people say, oh, we need at least 7 boxes or 8 boxes in order to do a full week. This one has plenty of artwork when you add in that weekend banner to get you through, no problem. Then she's also got these really cute let's eat and then sticker of the day. But for sticker of the day, I think I'm going to use that as just a box to write in. I'm not going to actually put a sticker in it, but you totally could if you wanted to. And then we've got trackers, which I'm going to put the tracker on Monday like I always do. And since this is my home planner, not my work planner, this will be me tracking my stupid medications that I have to take every week now because I'm getting older and my doctor says I have to do it. So no choice there. The rest of the bottom washi is right here. So I really wanted to use that little sun piece, so I put it in as part of the deco or a box in my Tuesday's column there, and then I'm going to start putting down the let's eat stuff because I need that on every day, and I forgot to put one on Monday. So I guess I am going to go hungry on Monday. So just going to finish filling this up again with the sticker lifter, my favorite tool ever. I don't know how I lasted without it before now because I can't lay down a sticker straight if my life depended on it. So one of the other, let's see what's going on this week. So this is pre-planning. I have no idea what's going on this week yet other than what my work days are. So I'm just putting down a whole bunch of places for me to write in stuff. So I think the first week there's some stuff that has to do with the shop, but that'll go in the other planner, like Instagram Loop and things like that go with it. But as far as anything going on at home, really not much. Probably not a whole lot going on here. My son is here now, so he should be getting out to work soon. My husband should be starting his orientation at the hospital where I work. I believe it's on the 2nd, but I could be wrong. I keep getting different dates from like between human resources and then the his floor that he's working on. I get different dates all the time, so it's either going to be the 2nd or the 16th. I'm kind of hoping for the 2nd so he can get orientation over with and get working so I can harass him. So he's going to be working night shift, and he's going to be up on one of the upper floors in the hospital. Like, he just graduated nursing in May, and then he took some time before so that we could go visit some family in California because vacations aren't going to happen obviously for a while since he's just starting out. So we decided to take advantage of that time while he was waiting for his license, because he took the test like right away and passed it no problem. So it was just a matter of waiting for some things to get done. And then, so we decided to go visit family, which I think I posted some stuff on Instagram about that. And then now it's just a waiting game, waiting for human resources and waiting to get some stuff done for him to start working. And then I will be able to see him pretty much on a regular basis, because hopefully what I'm hoping for is that most of the floors do self-scheduling for nurses. So I'm kind of hoping he'll pick the weekend that I work, or he'll be able to pick. I know he will if he can, but he'll be able to pick the weekend that I work so that we at least have some days that we work the same. I know in the beginning of, with a new job, it's hard because you may not actually be working the same days, but I'm hoping. So these little dividers work great for filling in like the little extra spaces because me with my no white space, the little extra spaces, and then I can put down some deco in the little boxes. And I like to write around things. Like, I'll put down a piece of deco and then I will write following the outline of the deco all the way around because I just think it looks cute. So I have no problem sticking deco in the middle of someplace where I would normally be writing. So I'm kind of at the point right now where I'm running out of boxes. So I'm going to be using some of the deco to fill in the spaces around where I'm running out of space. I mean, where I've run out of big boxes, because this kit works great for doing an entire week. And then I also have the washi strips, still a couple of washi strips left over that I'm going to be using. I'll show you here in a minute where we're going to put that. So I used one of the dividers with the grass to stick the chicken in the middle. I wish I could remember the names of our chickens. I'm so sorry. You're going to hear my dogs barking because somebody's going out the front door and they don't know how to be quiet. And anyway, so I'm going to put the chicken on the grass, and then I'm going to put down a few more dividers. Hey, you guys, stop. Sorry, I have to tell them to be quiet. They're such goofballs. These are my two little dogs. So it's Bella and Morty. And they just think they're the most ferocious things in the world, except when it comes to the cat. When it comes to the cat, they're the biggest babies. They whine and cry and run away from him. But now, the new thing with these two goofballs is that they've decided if they team up together, they can scare him off. So they'll like chase behind him together and bark at him. And then I guess it works, because then he runs away instead of chasing them and swatting at them from behind. He's like, oh, there's two now, and he'll turn around and take off. So now that they figured out that, they're very ferocious, very, very ferocious. So as always, I'm putting down some deco on each one of the little boxes for my this week column, because I don't know, I just love it. Love it. I know I put a cloud at the bottom. I don't know why, but because I put the sun there, I wanted the cloud kind of in the same spot. And isn't my monthly gorgeous? It's just so stinking cute. Look at that. Look at that spread. It is gorgeous. Now I'm going to do this because I've got so much deco and I've got the extra washi. I want to put these down and decorate. This is the pre-monthly setup. Basically, it's all of your to-dos for the month. I'm trying to figure out where I want to put it because I have more than one, but not enough to cover all of to put in every single box. So what I'm going to do is decorate all the boxes with that wonderful deco. I've got so much deco here. It's going to look so cute. So this is where I would be putting down any of the things that have to get done this month that are family related. So for me, this is going to be like the perfect boxes for putting down like the house projects and things that need to get done around the house, because I think I told you in another plan with me that we're going to start construction soon. So this is a great place to put down where I want all of like the different projects. Like if I'm working on the bathroom, then I can put down all of the things that I need to buy for the bathroom redo, or all the stuff that we need to do for this month for the different projects, the outdoor projects. But in the meantime, before I actually get a chance to write anything in here, it's going to be so stinking cute just to look at. Look at this. I love this. So anyway, just to reiterate, Emias Chaos on Etsy. It is a Canadian-based shop, super quick shipping. Love this shop. Got a couple more kits from her. And yeah, thanks so much for stopping by. I really, really appreciate it. I hope you guys like this spread, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.